Very good morning to all and welcome to my channel EduBharat. Now I'm going to start aggregate function or group function, or we can say multiple function. We have done already. We have completed scalar function and now we will continue aggregate function. So now the question comes, what is an aggregate function? An aggregate function in SQL performs a calculation on multiple value and return a single value. And these are the different aggregate functions we have to learn. This is in your syllabus. Sum, max, minimum, average, count, count star, or count distinct. So this is the table we have prepared for understanding this. Course code, course name, and fees of any college. The name of the college, PGM. So this is the course code I have given, and the one value I have inserted, null. Or maybe you can think, so this piece is structure is not clear, so that's why null value, that is unidentified value. So this is the fee I have taken because we applied all the function on this. So this is the MySQL prompt I have given, select sum fee from BJM. So these are the command I have to write. So what will happen when I use the sum command? So these all value except null will be added. So we have added this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Null will not accepted. So the result will be 358,000. 3,58,000 is the total fee of all the syllabus what I have entered. And we can find the minimum value, that is the 45. You can check it here. And we can find the maximum value. So whatever the maximum value of the given data, that will be displayed, that is 75,000. Okay, this I have found the minimum value. So maximum and minimum is clear. Now count. When a count means total number of records we have to count. So this is 1. I can just count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have given the command count fee. So this null will not count. It will not count. But when I give this command, so it will count. So that's why I put it here in this command. Okay. And average fee. So how can we find the average of any given data? So we can find the data sum upon total number of the value I have given. So the sum of this is 358,000 and the values are 6. So we can, don't do this. This is just I have explained you how can you find it. This average function automatically do this. Okay. So the next I will tell you later. So this is the sum function used to sum all values of a column. All values of any column you can do. Okay. Except null, because null will not count. And what are the syntax of this? The one syntax is syntax column name, and second is distinct. It is distinct keyword. This is the keyword for removing duplicates. So we can use distinct keyword with the sum function also. So these are the function we have applied on the table BGM I have shown you earlier. So select sum fees. So this will be the answer as I shown you. So 358,000. I have just given this column name. This from table name. Another I have just taken because after that I have inserted one more data, that is BBE. And the fee structure will be same as of BBFE. So this structure, fees of this structure, this fee structure of these two courses are same. Then what will happen? So what will happen? Select star from what? Select star from BGM. So it will display, you just see it. Here is also 55, here is also 55. And if I give this command, then result may be different. Why? Because this one will be added. But if I have given, we have given the command using distinct keyword. So you can see the result will be same. Even after including the value of this. Is it clear? So distinct keyword is unique. It will take, if that is duplicacy removed. In practical, it is not applicable in this manner, in this table. But you can understand wherever we can apply distinct keyword, we can use it. And what will be the result of it? Just I have explained. Now the question arises, how to sum multiple columns? Is it possible? You just think about it and write on comment. Either we can calculate multiple columns, say yes or no. If yes, then how? Otherwise, I will explain. Just think about it. Next is the max function. As the name indicates, it is used to find maximum value of a given data or given column. The column may be numeric value, may be character value, may be date value. Just remember. So this is I have just taken the numeric value because this is the same table, but you can apply for the character as well as date value. So this is again null maximum value. It is unidentified value. So what is the maximum value? That is 75,000. You can check it here. It will be displayed. I have just given the question. Can we use the maximum value for the date function also? Just give this is not. This is the use. You just cut it. This is the use of it. It is use. Okay. So the next is minimum function. This is just opposite of max function, as I have written here. Find the minimum value, number, character, or date. You just find it, and this is showing the minimum value as I have shown before. The next is average function, which I have not done there. Average function means this is the table I have taken. You can check it. This value and this value is repeated. So that's why the result will be different. So average fees, if I write, you just see it. The result will be, that means it will count for some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will divide it by the 7. You just do it. Okay. So 5, 9, triple 0, then 0.0000. That is 6 times 0. So what are the commands we have to use to just check? We can set the decimal value, whatever decimal value we have taken. We have taken 6 decimal places. I want it to be 2 decimal places. I want to decrease it. How can we decrease it? Okay, so just think and give me answer or comment. Okay, any doubt, then I will explain you it. So next is the count function. Count function return the number of rows that matches a specified criteria. There are different way we can use the count command, or we can say the different kind of count command. The first is very important, count blank. We can say that is count column. Another is count star, and the next is the count distinct column. As I told you, this is distinct column. So the command, you can see it here. This is the table I have just given. Whatever data we have inserted, select count CC code. You just check it the code. There is no any null value, primary key. So this is the one. I can just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 value. So you can see here 8 value is displayed. That is right. Select count star. That means the null here is the null value, but it will count 8. If I give count fees and this is the null value, so it will not count. So result will be 7. Or we can write count distinct. That means what fee we have taken, the 2 fees similar, this one and this one. So result will be 6. Without distinct, the result will be 7. Count, that means 8, and with the distinct, it will be 6. The next we can use it. Select star from team. I have just given the example of this player. Now you can see this player name not in order. Sometimes it is written the uppercase, lowercase, or mix. How can we? The question is how can we correct it? Maybe I want to display in lowercase or uppercase. What will be the command? Do write on comment. Category, what are the categories, and runs and lists. We have taken the 2 null value here in runs and 4 null value in player number. So you just understood player number. If I have taken the unique primary key, then we cannot put the null value. So without primary key, I have just created for the example to understand count command. So we have written the count p name. So what will be count? I have given the p name. So 7 will be counted. If I have given count runs, you just check it. 2 null value I have given. So 7 minus 2, that is 5 data will be here. So here 5, here 7. And if I write count player number, you can see all null values except 2 records are there. So answer will be 2. So I hope you understood it. Now we just differentiate different count command. That means count, count star and count distinct. So where carefully you just see count command, that means it will not accept a null. That means all not null values or record will be count, as we have done in previous example. Count star means it will count duplicate value, it will count null value, it will count values. Everything will count. Count distinct means not null and unique value will be counted. So we just remember the word unique value. That means duplicacy remove. That means if the two values are same, it will take one value. Count one value. Non-null value means null value is not only the non-null value. Here not null value is not accepted, else duplicacy allowed. So here written does not eliminate duplicate value. It count null value also. I told you null value, duplicate, everything it will count. And it eliminate duplicate. It will not, it will count. The syntax of it, select count F number from flower. There are flower table. I just want to count how many numbers I have given to you, like number 1, 2, 3. So it will count. If I have written here, select count star from flower, so it will count. That means it will check. It will just count null values, duplicacy, or not null value. All will be counted. But in this case, only the distinct activity from school. Suppose in your school or college, there are so many activities, but it will take only the ones. That means suppose 2 activities, cycling or maybe gym, any activities, basketball player, cricket ball. So it will take only one if it is repeated. Okay, so these are this command. I hope you understood all. Thanks for watching. Given your valuable time, subscribe my channel and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.